Your next question is right in the center.
Hi, Claire. Michael Weinfeld, AP Radio. What will you be telling your 9-month-old about your experience tonight?
Boop, boop, bop. That's kind of the level of communication we have going right now. Yeah, I'm just hoping he's not going to impale himself on this thing. I'm going to keep it very elevated at a place that he can't, you know, injure himself terribly. But, yeah, it's going to be a while before I let him watch any Homeland episodes. Let's put it that way. Boop, boop, bop. Boop, boop, bop.